GME, stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1-minute video till the end, find out. I've been looking at GameStop and 11.3% increase in price is totally fair. All I'm genuinely looking to do is still buy, right? It's quite the opposite with AMC. I mean, yeah, having done 40,000 videos, having spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, you know, you bet I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Even if I come with my Discord, actually I've had so many receipts with this thing in the Discord, all documented, but all I'm still looking to do is potentially buy here even more. So since I've had this second break, when we open up on Monday, intraday trades are always going to be towards the upside. Now pre-market matters a ton, so that's why I have them set here. And if there's a confirmation, quite frankly, nothing's stopping me from buying. So I'm quite excited. Continue to keep you updated. If you want to stay tuned with GME and want to make more money trading in the simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter. Goodbye.